Welcome all to this third quarter financial review and video update on Endeavour Silver Corp. I'm pleased to report that Endeavour enjoyed sharply higher revenue, cash flow, and net income in the third quarter of 2020, driven largely by significantly lower cash costs and all-in sustaining costs year on year, and of course combined with the significantly higher metal prices compared to 1 year ago. Those two factors combined to deliver our first profitable quarter in the last 18 months. So let's drill a bit deeper into the financial results for Q3 2020. Revenues came in at $35.6 million, up 29% year on year. Cash flow was $10.3 million, up almost 400% compared to the third quarter of 2019. And net income, for the first time in 6 quarters, came in at a positive $500,000 compared to a $6.8 million loss last year. But we carried a very significant increase of metal inventory through the end of the third quarter. And if we had sold that inventory, the difference between the mark-to-market for that inventory and the cost of that inventory would have added more than $9 million to our earnings in Q3. Cash costs came in at $3.69 per ounce of silver produced net of the gold credit. That's down 68% year on year. And the all-in sustaining cost at $17.48 per ounce of silver net of the gold credit was down 19% year on year. Let's turn our attention now to the operational results in Q3. Our first and largest silver mine at Guanaceví continued to outperform plan, with both silver and gold grades consistently higher than our planned grades for the quarter. Throughput was depressed, unfortunately, by heavy rainfalls, basically causing a big stockpile to build up at the plant, and it reduced the plant throughput to 911 tons per day compared to the plant capacity of 1,200 tons per day. What that implies is that now that we're through the rain season, the fourth quarter will be able to play catch up significantly in terms of the plant throughput. So we have even better production and costs coming as we catch up with the processing of that stockpile. Our second mine at Bolañitos in Guanajuato continues to improve. It's still a little bit behind plan and targeting to achieve plan by year end. And in the third quarter, we actually produced 1,075 tons per day through the plant. In a 1,200 ton plant, that means again there's still room for improvement in Q4 at Bolañitos. And last but not least, at El Compas, it was very steady through the quarter, averaging 256 tons per day, just slightly higher than the 250 ton plant capacity. Gold grades were good, throughput was good, silver grades a little bit depressed. And we see that Compass has effectively achieved steady state and is making money. All 3 operations actually generated free cash flow in the third quarter of 2020, and we're forecasting more of the same going forward.